Hi everybody, this is Mr. Musgrove, and today's topic we are going to learn how to make a QR code as a project. These can be a whole lot of fun. All right, so here you have a blank Google Doc. All right, and so what we're going to do, all right, is we are going to drag just like a picture in there. Here's a picture I can drag in there. All right, picture of me. All right, and so I am going to all right, down below, all right, I can uh, type my name, and I'm going to re-drag the picture in there. Boom, there it is. All right, I'm going to, why not? We'll make it bigger. All right, and so here's a picture of me. All right, and so I'm going to go over here now to share. I'm going to go ahead and right here, I am going to copy the link. Okay, so now I'm going to do a QR code generator, do a Google search, and what comes up, I just click on the QR code maker, all right, and I am going to take this URL up here, and I am going to paste that. All I have to do at this point is to make the QR code. So once I do that, you see it says right here, download the image. I can go ahead and do that. All right. So I am going to pretend like I'm going to make a new document. I'm going to drag that in to this new document. All right, and so I've made that QR code. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and take my phone, all right, and I'm going to put that on the image, all right, and I'm going to bring it up. And what comes up, all right, is a picture, all right, of me that has just been created. Can you see that? That's extremely easy, and we can now do projects, based off of this. I hope this has been very helpful, all right, for you to be able to make your project. Thanks.